It's pretty, but, and it's battery operated, which I wanted this time. But I don't like that you have to hold this down, and as soon as you do it and release it, it's gone. So if I'm trying to froth while it's in here, while it's coming down, which I'm trying to mix collagen in the bottom before it gets full, and I have to hold this down, it's a real awkward angle. I can't even get it inside of there. So, and it doesn't seem to be all that powerful because I like to also whisk eggs and things with it. I went back online to order a new one with the request that it would be high powered. So this one's okay, but I wouldn't buy it again for me, for what I use it for, because I use it most of the time when I'm trying to whisk up my collagen in my coffee, and for that purpose.
Okay, I don't normally do videos, but this device, oh my god. So I use a powder. I'm gonna get some right now. And you know, like a powder. So this one is the beet powder. It's nitric oxide for your oxygenating your system. And normally I have to use a fork or a spoon, and you have to stab all these chunks, and you know, you're doing it forever, and it's annoying, or super annoying. I cannot believe this thing. You just put the batteries in, and then that's low. If you hold it down, it gets stronger and faster, right? I'm not kidding you. Just barely pushing it. That's just barely tapping, right? And then hold it down, and look at that. Straight hurricane. I mean, literally seconds. Everything is gone.